Good evening, everyone. Groups theorems and problems. Today we discussing first question. Write a short notes. Write a short note on binary operation. Binary operation and its properties. And its properties. So write a short notes on binary operation and its properties. So a solution or answer. Solution or answer. Already we learned binary operation. A binary operation star on any non-empty set. On any non-empty set. Capital G is mapping star map G cross G tends to G. G cross G tends to G. Here G cross G is Cartesian product. Cartesian product of G. Product of G. So into itself. So here a binary operation star on any non-empty set capital G is mapping star map G cross G tends to G. Here G cross G is Cartesian product. Already you learn in definitions. G cross G is Cartesian product. Here capital G into itself. They are also denoted 0 plus etc. So they are also denoted as 0 comma plus comma into comma dot comma dash 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 etc. Next properties. It's their properties. First one, a binary operation star is commutative on set capital G if A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. For all A comma B belongs to G. A comma B belongs to G. Here a binary operation star is commutative on set capital G if A star B is equal to B star A. For all A comma B belongs to G. First property. And second property, a binary operation star is associative on set capital G. Same on set capital G. If associative means A star B of star C is equal to A star of B star C. A star of B star C. Here also same. For all A comma B comma C belongs to G. So our question is write a short note on a binary operation and its properties. So binary operation means star on any non-empty set capital G is mapping Cartesian product star map G cross G tends to G. Cartesian product of G into itself. They are denoted star denoted 0 plus into dot etc. So their properties. So a binary operation star is commutative. Commutative means A star B is equal to B star A. For all A comma B belongs to G. Next associative means A star B star C is equal to A star of B star C. For all A comma B belongs to G. This one is first one. And next second question. Define group and list its elementary properties. Define group and list its elementary properties. So our answer is group definition. A group G comma star. A group G comma star can be defined in non-empty set, a non-empty set capital G which is closed under a binary operation, star, such that it satisfies following properties. So that means a group G comma star, pair of G comma star can be defined a non-empty set capital G which is closed under a binary operation star such that it satisfies following properties. What are they? First one is associativity. Already we learned that associativity in previous problem. Associativity means A star B star C, that is equal to A star of B star C. Here for all A comma B comma C belongs to G. That is associativity. Next, second property. Second property is identity property. Identity property also we learn in previous definitions, previous class. E star A is equal to A star E is equal to A. E star A is equal to A star E is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Next property, inverse property. Inverse property. So inverse property also we learn in previous class. A star A dash is equal to A dash star A is equal to E for all A belongs to G. Here A dash is inverse of element A. E star A is equal to A star E, that is equal to A is identity property. Associativity property already we learn in previous problem. A star B of star C is equal to A star of B star C for all A comma B comma C belongs to G. So this is group and elementary properties, and here binary operation and its properties. So next problem, third problem. Prove that the set G is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication module 8. So given question is prove that the set G is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 forms an abelian group with respect to multiplication module 8. So first solution. Given set is G is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. Let multiplication module 8. Binary operation is multiplication. Given module is 8. Let x8 be the x8 into 8 be the operation defined on G. Multiplication module 8 implies that the ordinary product is divided by 8. Ordinary product is divided by 8. The remainder is written in the table. the remainder is written in the table. So like the table, multiplication module 8, our set is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. So 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. So this is the table. So now whenever we multiply both elements, in that time ordinary product is divided by 8 and the remainder is written in the table. So here 1 into 1 1, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 5 5, 1 into 7 7, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 3 9, but divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 1. So we have to write here 1, remainder, only remainder. So more than 8, we can dividing with 8 and which has the remainder in that element written as the table. So next term 3 5s are 15. 15 is divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 7. You can write remainder. So 3 7s are 21. 21 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. So remainder is 5. And next 5 ones are 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 7. 5 5s are 25. 8 3s are 24. 8 divided by 8 3s are 8 into 3 24. Remainder is 1. Next 5 7s are 35. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 3. And next 7 1s are 7. 7 3s are 21. 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 5. 7 5s are 35. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 3. 7 7s are 49. 8 6 are 48. So remainder is 1. So this one is table. It can be observed. It can be observed that the table is symmetric about the main diagonal. Observe here 1 1 1 1. That is the main diagonal. So it can be observed that the table is symmetric. So about the main diagonal 1 1 1 1 1. So therefore G comma multiplication modulate. This one is binary operation. G is group. So G comma multiplication modulate forms an abelian group. So this is our solution. Next problem. Show that the set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 is a group under the multiplication module 5. So our solution, let G is equal to given set bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Have to write multiplication 5 and take table, construct a table. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 given elements are here also 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3, 1 into 4 4, and 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. 6 divided by 5, remainder is 1. So 2 4s are 8. 8 divided by 5, remainder is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So remainder is 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 5, remainder is 4. 3 4s are 12. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 remainder is 3. 8 divided by 5, remainder is 3. 4 3s are 12. 5 2s are 10, remainder is 2. 4 4s are 16. 5 3s are 15, remainder is 1. So we have to prove G comma star 5 or G comma multiplication module 5 is a group. So here we check properties. So associativity A star B star C is equal to A star of B star C. Here star means multiplication module 5. So for example, we have to take 1 multiplication 5 into 3 star 5, sorry 4 elements is only 1 2 3 4. So 1 into module 5. Here also we have to take into module 5. So this is LHS value, or value is 1 into 3. 1 into 3 value is 3 into 5 and 4. Here element is 4. 3 into 5 4. So 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. The remainder is 2, so our value is 2. This one is LHS. And RHS value, we check RHS. RHS also 1 module 5, B value is 3, module 5 4. So here 1 module 5, 3 into 4 value, 3 into 4 value 2. 1 into 2 value, 1 into 2 value 2. So our RHS value also 2. LHS is equal to RHS. So associativity property is satisfied. Therefore G satisfies associativity. So therefore G is a group. This is our answer. Next problem. Which problem? Fifth problem. Fifth question. Next, fifth question. Find the inverse of 4 minus 4 minus 4 3 in 2 comma Z5. So given group is 2 comma Z5. Here our solution. Let A is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 4 3. A is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 4 3. So here given 2 comma factor or 2 comma function, given function. So set bracket of A B C D like that. A comma B comma C comma D belongs to F function, given function, and AD minus BC is equal to 1. So here given 2 comma Z5. In that time our problem is 4 comma minus 4 comma 3, and elements same A B C D. A comma B comma C comma D is belongs to Z5, and AD minus BC is equal to 1 module 5. 1 given module is 5. Z5 module is 5. So 2 comma Z5. First you have to find mod A. Mod A is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 4 3. That means 4 3s are 12 minus 16. That is equal to minus 4. Mod of 5. Module of 5. In that means 5 minus 4, our value is 1. 5 minus 4, our value is 1. So here given not multiplication. Here Z means integers. Integers means addition. Addition means 5 minus 4 value 1. So our mod A value is 1 in module 5. So 1 by mod A, that is equal to 1. So adjective A formula is D minus B minus C A. In this method, A value is 3, D value is 3. Next to minus into minus plus 4, minus into minus plus 4. So A value is 4. So 3, 4, 4, 4. This is the adjective A. So we want A inverse. So therefore A inverse is equal to our formula adjective A by mod A. That means 3, 4, 4, 4 divided by 1. That means 3, 4, 4, 4. That is the inverse of given 4 comma minus 4 minus 4 3, that matrix. So next question, sixth question. Let G be a group. Let G be a group with the following property. Following property. Whenever A comma B and C belongs to G and AB is equal to CA, that implies B is equal to C. AB is equal to CA, that implies B is equal to C. Prove that G is abelian. G is abelian. So here our proof, solution. Our solution. Let X comma Y is belongs to G. Two elements. Any two elements belongs to G. Consider Y into XY. Y into XY is equal to YX into Y. Let Y into XY is equal to YX into Y. Here XY is equal to YX. XY is equal to YX. Because of given condition is AB is equal to CA, that implies B is equal to C. Whenever AB is equal to CA, in that time AA cancel, B is equal to C. Is the same here also. Y into XY is equal to YX into Y. YY cancel, XY is equal to YX in that given condition, based on in that given condition. So therefore G is abelian. G is abelian. So next question. Next, seventh question. Sixth completed. Seventh question. Seventh question. For each element A in a group G, prove that there is a unique element small b in G such that AB is equal to BA is equal to E. AB is equal to BA is equal to E. Solution. Given that, what is the condition? For each small a is belongs to G, there exists a unique element. What is that one? B. A unique element B is belongs to G such that given condition is AB is equal to BA is equal to E. AB is equal to BA is equal to E. Let B and C be the inverse elements of A. Inverse element of A. So B and C both are inverse elements of A. In that time AB is equal to E and AC is equal to E. AB is equal to also E, AC is equal to also E. In that time AB is equal to AC. Why? Because both are equal, EE. Both are equal, EE. In that time AB is equal to AC. So here left side cancellation, B is equal to C. Here left cancellation law. By the left cancellation law, B is equal to C. So inverses are unique. Here observe, B and C both are inverse of element A. So B is equal to C. That means inverses are unique. Okay. Right. Next problem. Eighth problem. Write all subgroups of the group Z30 and indicate their orders. Find all subgroups of Z30 and at the same indicate their orders. So solution. Given Z30 is a group. Z30 is a group. So Z30 is equal to set of Z30 is 1, 2, 3 dash 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 up to 29. Up to 29. 30 minus 30 0. So that's why we have to take 0 to 29. 0 to 29. The subgroups of Z30 correspond to the positive divisors of 30. So the subgroups of Z30 correspond to the positive divisors of 30. So the positive divisors of 30, the positive divisors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Why? Because 130, 30, 2 15s are, 3 10s are, 5 6s are, 6 5s are, 10 3s are, 15 2s are, 31s are. So these all are divisors of 30. So the subgroups of Z30 are first 1. So generator of 1 is equal to Z30 is equal to 0, 1, 2, dash 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 29. So 1 is 29. 0 to 29. Next to 2. Generator of 2 is equal to Z30 is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, dash 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 28. 1 multiples generator 1. 2 multiples generator 2. 3 multiples Z30 is equal to 0, 3, 6, dash 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 27. So similarly generator 5 and generator 6, generator 10, generator 15 and generator 30. Generator 30 is equal to singleton 0. The orders of Z30 are write continuously 30, 15, 10, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. These all are subgroups of Z30 and orders of Z30. Okay. Next problem. Next, 9th problem. So let G be any group and AB square is equal to A square B square. AB whole square is equal to A square B square for all A comma B belongs to G. Then show that G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. So solution, our solution, given that G is a group, and AB whole square is equal to, our condition is A square B square. For all A comma B belongs to G. Consider AB whole square is equal to A square B square. AB whole square is equal to A square B square. So AB whole square we can write AB into AB. A square we can write A into A. B square we can write B into B. A into A, B into B. So here A into B into A into B. We can dividing separately. So A into AB into B. So here left cancellation and right cancellation. So because of by left and right cancellation loss. Since G satisfies commutative property. So observe here, BI is equal to AB. That is commutative property. So therefore, G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. Okay, next, 10th problem. Prove that in a group, A inverse whole inverse is equal to A for all A belongs to G. Okay, so solution. Let A belongs to G, comma A inverse also belongs to G. Whenever A belongs to J, A inverse also belongs to G. In that time, A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to E. Already we know that formula. A inverse is equal to A inverse A is equal to E. Since inverse is unique for every small a belongs to G. Therefore, A inverse whole inverse is equal to A. Here, inverse is unique for every A belongs to G. In that time, A inverse whole inverse is equal to A. Okay, next problem. Construct Cayley's table for U of 12 under 12. So solution under 12. Cayley's table. Whenever we construct Cayley's table, in that time we have to take without divisors of 12, 1, 5, 7, 11. So 1, 5, 7, 11. Why? Because here 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. And 6 2s are 12, 2 6 are 12. And 8 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. That 2 4 is divisors of 12. So that's why 1, 5, 7, 11 we have to take. So the Cayley's table. Is X12 module 12. So our 1, 5, 7, 11 elements. 1, 5, 7, 11. So here 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 11, 11, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 5, 25 divided by 12, 25 divided by 12, so that is equal, remainder is 1, 12 2s are 24. So next 5 7s are 35, 35 divided by 12, 12 2s are 24, remaining 11. So 5 11s are 55, 55 divided by 12, 12 4s are 48, so remaining 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 35 divided by 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 means remaining value 11. 7 7s are 49, 12 divided by 12 4s are 48, remaining value 1. So remaining value 5. So 11 1s are 11, 11 5s are 55, in that time 7 remainder. 11 7s are 77, 77 means 12 6 is 72, remainder is 5. So 11 11s are 121, 12 10s are 120, remainder is 1. So here observe here, 1 1s are 1, 5 5s are 1, 7 7s are 1, 11 11s are 1. So that elements are inverse each other. So identity E is equal to 1. Why? Because all values, diagonal elements are 1. So in that time, inverse 5 inverse is equal to 5, and 7 inverse is equal to 7, and 11 inverse is equal to 11, and 1 inverse is equal to 1. So therefore this total Cayley table satisfies identity and inverse also. Identity and inverse also. Next problem, 12th problem. 12th problem, suppose that small a is an element in a group, and a power of 6 is equal to e. So what are the possibilities for mod a? So solution, given a power of 6 is equal to e, so already we know a power of n is equal to a. In that time mod a is equal to n. So here mod a is equal to 6. So the number of positive divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So mod a is equal to 1, mod a is equal to 2, and mod a is equal to 3, and mod a is equal to 6. So how many divisors? 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 divisors. So next problem, 13th problem. Prove that in any group an element and its inverse have the same order. So solution, let G be the group. A belongs to G, that implies A inverse also belongs to G. Let the order of element A be M. So mod A is equal to M. So a power of m is equal to e. Already we learned in previous problem, a power of n is equal to e, that implies mod a is equal to n. Here mod a is equal to m, a power of m is equal to e. So e is the identity. Of G. Next, consider a inverse whole power of m is equal to a power of m whole inverse. So that is equal to a power of m is e inverse. E inverse is equal to e. So a inverse whole power of m is equal to e. In that time, order of a inverse or mod of a inverse is equal to m. This m comes this m. Okay. Therefore, mod of a inverse is equal to m. So inverse have the same order, element and its inverse. Here a power of m is equal mod a is equal to m, and its inverse also m. Mod a inverse also m. So inverse element and its inverse have the same order. Okay. Next problem, 14th problem. If A is the element of a group, G, and mod A is equal to 15, then compute the orders. Then compute the orders of a cube and a power of 6 and a power of 9 and a power of 10 of G. So our solution, given that mod A is equal to 15, that is equal to n. So next, if small a is an element of order n in a group G, and K is a positive integer. Positive integer. If A is an element of order n in a group capital G and k is a positive integer, then a power of k in mod is equal to already we known formula n by GCD of n comma k. GCD of n comma k. So here a cube in mod. So n is 15. 15 by GCD of n comma k. 15 comma 3. So GCD of 15 comma 3. That is equal to 15 by 3. GCD is 3. So 3 5s are 15. Next a power of 6 in mod. 15. N value is 15. So GCD of 15 comma 6. So that is equal to 15 by GCD value is 3. So that is equal to 5. And a power of 9 in mod. That is equal to 15 by GCD of 15 comma 9. That is equal to also 3. 15 by 3. That is equal to 5. And next a power of 10 in mod. That is equal to 15 by GCD of 15 comma 10. GCD of 15 comma 10. That is equal to 15 by 5. GCD of 15 comma 10 is 5. That value is equal to 3. So 5, 5, 5, 3. Okay. Next and last problem, short answers, short questions. Which problem? 15th problem. Let A be group element such that mod A is equal to 48. Find a divisor k of 48 such that generator of a power of 21 is equal to generator of a power of k. A power of k. So solution. Given that mod A is equal to 48. Mod A is equal to 48. A power of n is equal to e. In that time mod A is equal to n. That implies. So here n is equal to 48. In that mean here n is equal to 48. So if A belongs to G is of order n and k is a positive integer. K is a positive integer. So here a power of k, generator of a power of k is equal to, our formula is a power of GCD of n comma k. Generator of a power of GCD n comma k. So here generator of a power of 21 is equal to generator of a power of 21 is equal to generator of a power of GCD 21 comma n value is 48. 21 comma 48. So generator of a power of 21 is equal to 48 21. GCD is 3. A power of 3. So that means therefore k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue part 3. So today we are discussing part 2 short questions, and tomorrow we will continue part 3 long answer questions, 20 marks questions. Okay. Thank you all of you.